May the 4th be with you, firsties. Now we're going to do some math. We're going to continue subtracting 10 from a 2-digit number. And we're going to try a mental math strategy today. So we've used a hundreds chart before where you can find the number and move up one space. Another thing you can do is look at your tens place and go down one space and think 10 less. So think of it like this. I know 3 minus 1 equals 2. So 35 minus 10 would equal 25. 30 minus 10 equals 25 because we're only changing the number in our ones place. So get out page 636 from your math packet. And we're going to do page 636 together. We're going to do page 637. We're going to start it together and you're going to finish it on your own. And then your Monday math challenge is going to be page 639. So this we won't go over together until Tuesday. Okay, but we're going to start right now with this, where we're going to just practice. I'm going to get a different color that you might be able to see better. 10 less. So 10 less than 46. Think what's 1 less than 4 is 3, and our ones place stays the same. So that's a 6. So 10 less than 46 is 36. 10 less than 78. Okay, 1 less than 7 is 6. That's in my tens place though, so my ones place stays the same, so that's still an 8. So 10 less than 78 is 68. Now I have 95 minus 10. I have to think, what is 1 less than 9? It's 8. My ones place stays the same, which is 5. So 95 minus 10 equals 85. It says, remember, when subtracting tens, only the tens digit changes, and it goes down by 1 because we're doing 10 less. So let's look at this. We have 26 minus 10, which is 16. And I said we can do our little TO trick here, and our ones stay the same. So 32 minus 10. Oh, well, 10 less than 32 is going to be 22. And if I think 1 less than 3, I get 2. So 22. Same thing here. 98 minus 10. If I do my little TO trick and my ones place stays the same, 9 becomes 8. 8 stays 8. So 98 minus 10 equals 88. Same thing here. I can do my TO trick. My ones place stays the same. My tens place goes down by 1. So 44 minus 10 equals 34, because 1 less than 4 is 3, and the 4 in my ones place stays the same. All right, so take a minute, make sure those are the answers you have. Think about how you're just going 1 less in the tens place and keeping the ones place the same. That's why doing your little TO trick might be important. Let's look at thinking 10 less now. Page 637, we're going to do the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems together, and then I'm going to ask you to practice 1, 2, 3, the last 5 problems on your own, and we'll check those over tomorrow. Okay, so again, we're thinking 10 less. We're only changing the numbers in our tens place, making it go down by 1 and keeping our ones place number the same. So 53 minus 10 is 43. 1 less than 5 is 4. My 3 stays the same. Okay, same thing here. What is 1 less than 2? It's 1. And my ones place, which is a 0, stays the same. So 1 and 0 is 10. So 20 minus 10 equals 10. 32 minus 10. Again, I'm going to look at my tens place. That's the 3. I want it to be 1 less, which becomes a 2. I want to keep my ones place the same, which is a 2. So 32 minus 10 equals 22. Here we go, 80 minus 10. So 10 less than 80 is 70 because 1 less than 8 is 7. And the ones place number, which is a 0, stays the same. Here I have 17 minus 10. All right, so I have to do 1 less than 1. Well, 1 less than 1 is going to really give me a 0, which means I have no tens, and my ones place stays the same. So my answer is really 7 here, okay? So that one might be a little tricky. We don't really put a 0 there because we're taking all our 10s away. Then I have 60 minus 10. Well, we're just going to count back by 10s, which is 50. I can look at my 10s place. It's a 6. If I do 1 less than 6, I get 5. And my 1s place is a 0. That stays the same. So 60 minus 10 equals 50. All right? So stop and think for a minute. We're only changing our 10s place. We're making it go down by 1, and our 1s place is staying the same. Remember, you can use your TO trick to help you. And whatever in the O side, which is the 1s, stays the same. So if I had the number 37, the 7 would stay the same. If I wanted to do 10 less than 37, this 3 would become a 2, right? And then the 7, like I said, stays the same. So we're only changing the number in our 10s place. Do the TO trick if that helps. If that gets a little confusing and you don't want to do the TO trick, just highlight the number in the 10s place and just know you're going to make that one go down by 1, and you're going to keep the 1s place number the same. So try 11, 12, 13, and 14, which has 2 parts to it, all by yourself. And tomorrow we'll come back and we'll check those answers over. And if you are looking for a Monday math challenge, you can do page 639. And whether you want to do the challenge or not, it's totally optional. And we'll check it over either way. So if you do it, great. And if you don't do it, we'll still go over it together so that you can fill in the answers. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Again, happy May the 4th be with you. Miss you, firsties. Bye.